The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Osage County in northeastern Oklahoma, southern Washington County in northeastern Oklahoma, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Harmony, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Bartlesville, Hominy, Barnesville, Ramona, Winona, Oshaleta, Avant, Osage, Talent, Walco. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.